We're going to install a console wrap on the Model 3. This helps it protect it and also remove this shiny look, which I don't like. So the product we are going to install, I got from AliExpress. It's like 3 pieces. And this is what it looks like, matte finish. And then it's got this adhesive on the back that we're going to install. So the first step is to clean this console. So take a brand new microfiber cloth and get an interior cleaner and just clean this up. So our console is clean, and then start applying the wraps one by one. Oh, that just went in perfect. Next piece. So you just want to test it. There's a magnet on this side. So the last piece. Now the adhesive on this is extremely strong actually. If you noticed, this one I screwed up a little bit. It's pushed down. So in order for me to fix this, I gotta actually heat up this unit, remove it, push it up, and then place it back. Guys, so it's done. There's a key card place here, and then it's matte finish, so it's not gonna get dirty. And then it even comes with like a little piece at the top here as well. This one probably another day I'm gonna fix it a little bit, because you could see, I don't know, I'm gonna show you an angle, but I can see a little gap here. It should be closer to the top one, but everything works fine and looks pretty good for 20 bucks. Subscribe for more.